Hello, it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Preschool and Crafts. I am here today to do a St. Patrick's Day fun craft with you. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button. You'll be able to see all my videos of crafts and stories I've made just for you. Okay, we are going to make a St. Patrick's Day leprechaun craft today. I will show you the items you need, and then hopefully you can make it along with me. So we are going to use one of these paper towel or toilet paper rolls. So you just need a short little one like this. You're going to need glue today. Doesn't matter if you use glue bottle or glue stick. I'm going to use glue stick. You're going to need a little scrap of yellow paper. Not even going to use much. And you're going to need a little scrap of black paper. And then you're going to need a piece of green paper. So either a full green paper, I am using today to make it extra fun, is green sparkly paper. That's going to be super fun. And then I have some eye stickers. Put on eyes on my little leprechaun. And I am using, this is where ours can be different. I am using orange crepe paper streamers that you would hang up for a birthday for the beard of the leprechaun. You could use pom-poms. You could use another piece of construction paper and just little bits. Anything will look nice. And then I also have a black marker so that I can draw a smiley face on it if I want, and a nose on my leprechaun. And you're going to need your scissors. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cover this tube with green paper. So I'm going to cut, I'm going to hold it up and show you. I'm going to cut well, actually I'm going to do half of it. So I'm going to cut, hold it up and show you. We're going to cut to the size of the tube, and then we will be able to and you're going to need green for the like the shirt, and you're going to also need green for a hat. So perfect. I am going to cut this piece in half, and that'll be the perfect amount for half of the leprechaun for the shirt, and then the face will go right here. I'm going to glue that on. So if you have a glue stick or glue bottle, you're just going to rub your glue onto your roll, whether it be a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll, and we're just going to glue. This little leprechaun guy we're making, you can put on your desk, put on your table, cute little decoration. So I'm taking my green paper. If yours is sparkly, great. If not, that's fine too. So I'm just going to press my paper onto my tube, and I'm going to go around. The strip I made matches in the back, and I'm just going to hold it together for a minute so that it sticks. And if you need to add more glue, you can add more glue. Mine needs a little bit more glue, I can tell. I'm holding mine like that. If you have a clip, you can clip it together for a minute while you work on the face. also makes a good handle. You want to hold on to it like that. All right, so for my face, I'm going to start with my sticker eyes. If you don't have sticker eyes, that is fine. Just use a marker or crayon to create your face on your leprechaun. Okay, now I'm going to make a nose. And then we'll do the beard, and I'll show you how to do the beard. My leprechaun's got a rosy nose. I found a pink marker. Now we're gonna do the beard. So I am using this streamers, you know, birthday party streamers. If you don't have streamers, that is fine. You can make yours any way you want to make yours. You can do pom-poms. You can use more construction paper. You can color. If you have stickers, you can use stickers. So what I did is I just took mine and I cut like a little fringe, it's called, and I'm going to glue that on. And with a leprechaun having a beard, you don't have to put his, what do you call it? Mouth. You don't have to do a mouth for him. But his mouth will be underneath the beard. I'm just going to put some glue underneath my nose. And then I'm going to put my leprechaun beard on. Very fun. I'm going to little bend it. And I'm going to add a second piece just for extra. And as you can see, I didn't even use much. Whatever scrap of orange you can find, you can use. I'm going to put a second little strip. He's got a bushy beard today. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, guys. All of our crafts are going to look a little different, and that is all right. The important part is you have fun, you concentrate, and you make a craft. No, we're all just practicing. Gluing and cutting, and it's lots of fun. All right. Oh, I think I need a little bit more glue. See, you try it, and you might have added enough glue for yours, but mine didn't have enough glue. All right, there's mine so far. Look at his shaggy beard. Looks pretty fun. Now we need a hat. So they like green hats too. So that's where another piece of your green can come in. I'm gonna glue them together. If you don't like the glue, you can try tape. You can try tape. That would look good too. And then I'm gonna hold this for a minute. That way it sticks. And then on the hat, we're gonna do the black strip of paper and the yellow square. That's what leprechaun's hats look like. You might need a little bit more glue. Now with the sparkly paper I chose, it takes a little bit more glue for it to stick together. So I'm gonna take my clothespin, check on my leprechaun. As you can see, he needs to stay together a little longer. Still there, he's looking good. Oh, his little beard. Okay, he looks good. Okay, there's his little beard. Okay, I'm working on his head. On his hat. Okay. So here's the top. You need a small strip of black. Do a band around the hat. So just like I said, you're not going to use much black at all. This is all I got. I'm going to put a strip of black around the hat of my leprechaun. And hopefully it will stick. I'm holding it on there. As you can see, it needs to be held. I don't think you'll have that much of a problem if you use regular paper and not glittery paper, but I just thought it would be fun to make it sparkly. Leprechauns like gold and things that are sparkly. So I just thought I'd make this one's outfit sparkly. Okay. Still holding mine because not staying. Hopefully you have better luck with yours. All right, I am going to we're gonna have to use our yellow paper now. So I am going to my scissors, be careful. And I'm just cutting myself a little square. Oh yeah, look how small it is actually. And leprechauns don't even use a whole square. They do a little, it's like an outline it's called. It's called a buckle. And so the leprechauns just have a little square buckle on their hat, just for decoration. This is what it looks like when you cut the little middle out of it. And I'm gonna try to get mine to stick on there. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on my yellow square. Almost done. We just have to add some little details onto our leprechaun. Okay, there's his hat. This is what it should look like. Very nice. Now, his hat needs to go on top of his head. So we need to put a little brim on the hat. So you should cut another part of your little screen. Yeah, your green paper you had, and make a little circle of sorts if you can. I'm gonna cut a little circle. Now let's see how that looks. And I'm gonna attach it to the hat. Everybody hold theirs up and show me what theirs is looking like. They're all gonna look very cute, and they are probably gonna look different because someone may be using stickers, somebody may use pom-poms, somebody may be using dark green paper or light green. That is why they're all gonna look different and fun. All right, friends, my hat is together. I want to be very careful. I think I will take my black marker and draw a little face, a little smile on my leprechaun. Just a small one underneath the beard, like that. He looks good. Okay, now I'm going to attach the hat. Now, to attach the hat, you might need tape because the glue would take a long time to dry, I think. So I'm going to hold them up, and then I got my hat. I'm going to attach my hat. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did so far. Is I put the base of the hat on him, and now I have to add the top part. So he looks good. He just needs to be secured. I'm going to add some tape because the glue is just a little bit tricky. And then your leprechaun will be all ready. It looks great. I think I'm going to put the tape on the inside of the, see, use 2 pieces, and I'm going to put it on the inside of the hat. I will hold them up for 1 minute to show you how it looks. And then okay, there's my little leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day. Oh, I hope you have fun and come back next time for another craft or story from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. Thank you.